So I've assembled the bed and it's all done. I just sanded and rounded the edges. So the next thing to do is to spray it with sanding sealer, sand, and then do 2 coats of lacquer. And I will spray in between each coat of lacquer, and you get to see the grain of the wood, but it's pretty much done as it is. Pretty neat. So this is a 36 by 75 inch bed, and what they call single bed or university mattress or student bed, pretty much. So I'm making this one for a student, and it's finally ready to be finished.